Hello, I'm Betul. Welcome to my presentation. I will explain banking application for capstone project. The first part will be about the front-end architecture. I will explain the authentication and my app diagram. This is the overview of my application diagram. I used React for front-end, and I used the Firebase for authentication. On the backend side, I used the Express server, Node.js, and as a database, I choose the MongoDB Atlas. In the front end, I have 6 pages: home, create account, login, deposit and withdraw, and all data pages. And every page can be reached with a navigation bar. I used React routing to create this navigation bar. I have small components like cards, footer, navigation bar. I use styling generally with Bootstrap. And I used Bootstrap card, forms, and tables. For authentication, I choose the Firebase, and I use the Firebase out context to reach the user data from the error page. And API calls created with general echoes, and I use state and use effect for hooks. I use the Firebase for authentication. User can log in with email password authentication in this app. When a user wants to use this app, first she needs to create an account. When they created account, Firebase first create an user in the background, and when the user used any email, she cannot use another that email for another account. So Firebase check the email first. If it is in use, send the user an error message. Otherwise, take the email and the password if they are correct and create an account. Every form in the front end check the every input. Name will be the correct, or email is correct, or password is okay. It can be any long, but at least 8 character. It is all in checked in the front end. In the login page, when the account created and we want to log in again the account, so Firebase check the email and the password. If they are correct, the user can reach the user profile. If not, it gives an error message. To use every login user information, I used Firebase out context, and it was the most critical part for me, because I need to read a lot of documentation and for this usage, and I choose the Firebase alt context because I see the Firebase documentation, it is simple, and if I apply it step by step, I can create an alt context easily. So I use this one, and it is more useful for me, and I reach every page this user email, and by this way I get the user data, like current balance, and I use it later.